Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. This video, I'd like to share with you guys our vertical DIY box kits for the 50 kWh and the 60 kWh battery pack. For this one, it is built with the JK BMS and you can choose for the PACE BMS or available in our company. It depends on you. For the battery cell inside the battery box, you can choose the EVE, you can choose the Lisheng, you can choose the IEPT, different brand all available. And here, if you buy the 340 ampere, 280 ampere lithium iron phosphate battery cell from us and with the DIY box kits, here we offer the free assemble service for you. Assemble the battery pack directly, no other cost. And except that, we can offer the free logo for you. Print your company's logo at this place. So if you have interest in this DIY box kits with the 340 ampere brand new grade A cell, you can contact with our sales freely to get the latest quotation. There is no any hidden cost for you, just the DIY box kits with the battery cell, brand new grade A battery cell. You can choose different brand with the different price. If you want to know more details, contact with us freely. And for this one, it is very easy to move away because it is with the 60 kilograms weight, and here is the handle, which is very strong to move away. When you need to install the battery pack with your inverter, it is also very convenient to connect the wire from the back of the battery module to the inverter directly. So it is not only convenient but also more beautiful for your design. That's all the introduction. If you choose StarMax, we can guarantee for the DIY box kits for 1 year's warranty, and for the battery cell with the brand new grade A cell is 5 years warranty for the battery cell. For the details, information about how to assemble, how to work with how to compatible with your inverter, you can contact with our sales freely. And thank you for you guys watching. This is Anya. See you next video. Bye bye.